You think you earn 100% of your salary. This is a cognitive error. Today, we look inside the mechanism of legal wealth extraction and discover where your money actually disappears. Stage 1, gross income. The operator exchanges their raw biological energy and time for a primary asset unit. The subject genuinely believes this asset now belongs to them. The system allows them to enjoy this illusion for exactly 1 second. Stage 2, income tax. Before the asset even reaches the operator's pocket, the system automatically initiates a primary liquidity extraction protocol. A third of the asset is forcefully detached during transit. Stage 3, payroll tax. The system mandates the operator to make a compulsory investment into their highly improbable deferred future. Additional asset mass is amputated without the patient's consent. Stage 4, consumption tax. When the operator attempts to convert the surviving asset into basic calories to sustain life, the transaction is penalized. The system taxes the very act of physical survival. Stage 5, property tax. The operator has successfully hoarded a microscopic fraction of the asset. However, mere existence in physical space requires a perpetual subscription fee. The extraction process does not stop even during sleep. Final stage, asset reallocation. All extracted liquidity is centralized into a unified macroscopic reservoir. The capital is efficiently redirected upwards to ensure the critically important functions of the system's supreme administrators. The cycle of wealth transfer is successfully completed.